All right, I'm back. Let's see. In the kitchen. Let's see. Oh, my backup battery has died, and it was powering the refrigerator. Feels like it's still cold in there, so I need to go recharge that battery. It'll take a few hours for it to charge up, so I need to go find somebody with a generator and see if I can plug it up. Okay. Heading out the side door. Wow. Well, a lot of leaves, a lot of little twigs laying around. Okay. All right. Open the door. Let's start with the backyard first. Work my way around. You have your shoes on? I'm gonna go outside and look around. I'm gonna go outside and look around. All right. Head into the backyard. We'll start in the back and work our way around. Oh, the patio looks okay. Just wet. It was like a little river out here last night. Yeah, we'll check the wow. It's all wet. I mean, the water came all the way up and halfway into the patio. Wow. Oof. All right. The pool is overflowing. The wood panels held up on the sliding glass door. Well, it's nice and cool outside. Yeah. Let's see. All of this was in the pool, and I was out of the pool. The gate looks okay.
You talking to Carla?
Nope, I'm talking to the world. Oh, wow. Okay. Plywood held up. Protect these sliding glass doors. Oh, wow. This door held up. All right. Yeah.
I can get my can out of the car.
No, use that. Because it's dirty out here.
No, I mean, I'm not going there. I'm not going there. that direction.
Okay, well, I'll meet you out the side door.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll meet you out the side door. Look at this. Look.
Oh.
Yeah. Piece of the fence broke. Wow. All this stuff was in the pool. Well, I'll meet you around. Oh, boy. Oh, wow. This old shed is about gone. Oh, wow. About time to get rid of this shed. It is beat up. Oh, wow. The old wood held up on the window. Wow. Oh, boy. Roof shingles. That doesn't look like their roof. Doesn't look like ours either. Where'd this come from? Where'd that limb come from? Wow. Oak tree is way over there, but this is over here in the backyard. Let's see what's going on. Wow. Well, it's not total devastation around here. My car held up. And my neighbor just pulled up. Oh, wow. The garage door held up. All right, let's do an assessment. Nope. Oh, wow. My neighbor has a big limb on his tree, and the hurricane put the limb right on the sidewalk for him. He doesn't have to move the limbs. I was supposed to be looking at my house, but I'm over here at his house. Yeah, drop the limb right here on the sidewalk. Wow. Wow. Holy crap. Wow. And this is our house. Oh boy, I know. Here's my mama. Where's your, you couldn't find it? You can't see in there? Okay.
Tell me some.
Well, let me get it.
Tell me some good news.
Well, let's take a little stroll around the house. We're back. Yeah. See, John? See that limb on the sidewalk over there? Yeah, ripped it off the tree and they put it on the sidewalk for him. So he doesn't have to move it. They put it right there on the sidewalk for him. And look at this barricade thing right here. It moved it. Remember, it was perfectly set up and it moved it. And those barricades right here, it pushed it way Wow, look at it. They moved him from over there to over there.
The mailbox is still intact.
Yeah. Wow. Can't go on the sidewalk.
Oh, boy. Tell me something.
Everything looks good. Just the limbs down. Oh, wow. The old tree in the front, he's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's okay.
I see something on the house right.
Yeah, a little limb.
What about
Yeah, the wood held up. Why are these people trying to drive? They're gonna mess around and bust the tire out. Come on, let's go a little. Wow. Wow. Look at that front. Look at that limb right there.
wow?
Landed on the yard, not the house.
And right there. See them?
Yeah, that's nothing compared to that.
Yeah.
Wow. Looks like the oak tree is a little skinnier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of this.
Well, that was from Helena.
No, I know, but all of this.
Everything on the sidewalk on this grass is from Helena 2 weeks ago. But this is from last night, Milton.
All of that came from the tree.
Yeah, last night. Watch out for Johnny.
Came to check his house out.
He's checking on all his properties. Whew, wow. Looks a little skinnier. Wow. All that
Came off that tree.
Yeah. Well, it's getting the tree is getting trimmed by the hurricane. You don't have to pay for it. The hurricane is cutting it down for you. Slowly but surely.
Who you talking to?
I'm recording. And the mailbox held up. The mailbox.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, held up. Let's keep walking. Let's keep on.
It's the rope.
Yeah, the rope held up. The rope held up. Yeah. You heard them this morning over there with the trucks?
No.
You didn't hear them?
Yeah.
You sleep through anything. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let's come over here. Get away from... I'm standing there under a tree, under an oak tree that's beat up. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Wow, I see some limbs dangling right now. Like that one right there.
Mm-hmm.
You see them dangling?
Yeah.
That one is dangling.
At least it's
That one is bent down.
dangling
Away from the house. Yeah. Look in the alley. See that one hanging in the alley laying down?
Mm-hmm.
That's another one over there. Another big limb over there.
Against the house right there. Is that a limb right there?
No, it's on the ground.
Yeah, I know on the ground. What is that?
Yeah, another limb. That big one right there though. On the sidewalk, those two right there on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Yeah, they came down. Wow. And there's one dangling right there.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Nothing on the roof.
Yeah.
Whew. Wow. The windows in the bathroom, they're okay. Okay.
What is that right under on the ground?
A limb.
You see what I'm talking about? Right under the window, the bathroom window.
Oh, that's that bush on the corner. Hey, let's go back because you left the side door open, and there's people walking around. All these people driving around with all these limbs in the road. Come on. Stay away from this limb. Stay away from that one. That one's about to fall. Keep going. Yeah.
Could have been worse.
Hey. Yeah. It ain't.
Right. All of this is the city.
Yeah, this the city stuff. They're gonna have to clean up that mess. Yep. Yeah, all the neighbors are out.
The same thing. Walking in checking.
Yeah, looking at the step. Look, the sun is out.
Yeah.
That big ball of fire. Finally. Come on out of the road. Get on out of the road.
When I go to church, this is what I see the sun.
Come on, get out of the
in my face.
Get on out of the road.
It's nothing for us to do.
Yep.
But
just this
house inside.
Yeah. Oh wow. And the garage held up.
That one little slap over there.
On the other side of the fence. Yeah, it bust out their fence over there on the other side, but not your fence. Wow.
Yes, that is a fence. That one little slap.
Keep walking. You can see it from right. You can see it from right there. See it? Yeah. Yeah. Bust out their fence right there.
That's my fence. Right.
Yeah, that's your fence. Yeah. Well, I keep saying their fence. It's your fence. Wow. It's gonna be a joint effort from everybody to pitch in and help out.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, I see the fence right there. It's kind of beat up. Yeah, right on the top.
Yeah.
Looks like we had to call the fence guys up. Have them to put everything back the way it was. Wow. But at least it's not totally destroyed and on the ground. And the car held up. Oof. And I'm trying to sell the car. And it held up. No windows bust out. No damage on the car. Only thing it needs is an alternator, right?
Yeah, we need some lights now.
Yeah. It's gonna be a minute though. But they have to assess all these wires and transformers that blew last night. There goes the helicopter. Yeah, it is flying around, checking out the city.
Blue sky.
Mr. Helicopter assessing the city. Hey, let's get in the car and drive around the city and see what it looks like. These people going crazy. You gonna mess around and ride over a limb, or it could be a electrical put on wire laying on the ground.
That trash.
Yeah.
I'm glad it didn't come
this way.
It went that way.
Right. Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah, he's flying around, assessing the city. Here he goes again. Action news. Wow. Looks like the propellers are moving real slow. Ah, yeah. Getting that footage. Get that footage. Oh boy. Oh, this is cool now. Hurricanes cool things off, don't they? When they after they finish,
Yeah.
it's like it's the beginning of fall now.
Yeah, 'cause I can see
Yeah, it brings the
trimmed
temperature
this
down.
tree. Trimmed it down, didn't it?
Yeah,
Trimmed Earl's tree down.
yeah. I mean, it was getting beat up. Here come the birds. The birds are back home, flying back into their tree, checking their nest. Where do the squirrels and birds go during a hurricane?
You know,
Where do the roaches and where do they go? Where do the rats and mice and possums and squirrels? Where do they go? The gnats and dragonflies and mosquitoes. Well, you know where the ants go? They go in the ground.
yeah.
Ants, lizards, roaches, roaches, ratches. What is the purpose of a roach
Yeah.
and a gnat?
With the roaches, huh?
Yeah.
And the nets.
Yeah, what's the purpose of a gnat? Just to bother people and no Sims. Yeah. So, whew. Well, need to. I know John. He's ripping and running, checking on all his stuff. Yeah. All right. Well, kind of. You want to stay outside for a little while, get some fresh air instead of being cooped up in the house. So.
Some light.
Hmm. Say hi, everybody. All right. See you. See you. Y'all be safe out there.